Namaste, welcome uh, to a new format that is being launched today, Pest Talks 2.0 sessions. So, जो हमारे साथ पहले से जुड़े हैं, जिन्होंने बेस्ट टॉक सेशंस पहले अटेंड किया है, we launched an initiative called Best Talks on March 26, 2020 amidst the lockdown period. जब पैंडेमिक की वजह से लॉकडाउन हुआ था, children were sitting at home through and being connecting virtually and coming on screen and having a virtual connection was starting then. We started off with an initiative aiming to address the youth, the young minds of the nation for the holistic development. And we have received immense participation and support from our viewers throughout the Best Talk session. And for the people who are newly joining in, I must say that there are many people who know how the Best Talk sessions who have been conducted throughout these past few months from March onwards. Like we have conducted almost 20 sessions on different topics with different speakers from expert fields, and they all the viewers have actively participated in the session and they have actively supported and commented and they have given a positive feedback कि उन लोगों को बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला है, बहुत कुछ मोटिवेशन मिला है, उन्होंने अपने आप से कुछ ना कुछ नया करने का सोचा है. So the whole idea of starting the Best Talks was coming up with the idea where we motivate and you take up the leadership to make a change and lead a change. So now with that said, today onwards, we are starting a new format for the Best Talks, which is Best Talks 2.0. And before starting anything, I would thank you all for the huge success of Best Talks session previously. We have reached over 3.3 lakh plus people through our Best Talks session. And talking about the new format, Best Talks 2.0, the session will focus on skill enhancement with expert speakers from different fields, which will focus on empowering students to carry out different activities, their campaigns, their ways to make a difference in the society. And with that said, Best Talks में हम aim ये कर रहे हैं, we are focusing on three main aims at Best Talks 2.0, which is one is building a sense of social responsibility among the students, which is like understanding the society, what are the things that needs to be addressed, हम क्या क्या society में बदलाव ला सकते हैं, क्या क्या problems हैं ये तो हम देखते ही हैं, but किस तरीके से हम बदलाव ले सकते हैं, कैसे हम वो responsibility उठा सकते हैं to start to lead a change is one aim that we are looking through this Best Talks 2.0 session. Second aim would be empower students to carry out activities throughout. And by this means, sometimes बच्चे कहते हैं कि we do want to do these things, but sometimes we feel that हमारे पास वो skills नहीं है या हम वो full productivity के साथ वो हम आगे नहीं बढ़ा पाते हैं. So to shape that and to give wings to that, we will empower all the students. Every student has that capability to lead the change. So we'll just give an additional boost to it. We'll let you know, we'll guide you through it to carry out the activities to lead the change. Third will be facilitate overall personality development of the students. जब हम ऐसे Best Talk sessions attend करते हैं या sessions attend करते हैं, there will be one striking thing or two or three things that strikes your mind immediately, strikes your heart immediately, and you want to lead the change, you want to make a change. So through these sessions, we'll aim at the development of students so that they feel motivated and they take up the charge to make a difference. So Best Talk session 2.0 will be corely focusing on skill enhancement to lead the change, where you gain, आप ऐसा knowledge gain करोगे जो आप implement कर सकते हो in the society. You can think about an activity and you can see, okay, this skill I can do this, and you are able to evidently put in to the society and you are able to contribute to the society through your skills. Now, what's new in this Best Talks 2.0 session? This session is exclusively for students from 7th grade and above. It is specifically kept, so of course students of any age can be part of it, but 7th grade and above is because that is the age and the group where the people are taking up the initiative and they want to lead the change. Age is just a number. children at any age can take up the lead and take up the activities and make a change. But we have kept it exclusively for the students from 7th grade and above to have a better understanding about the situation, how to take up the lead, how to do the activities more skillfully. The best talks will be every third Wednesday of the month. Every month, अब इस Wednesday को एक session हुआ, तो next October third Wednesday को would be the next best talk session. It will be a monthly session. The time will be this timing 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. and the platform will be Zoom. The earlier best talk sessions we were streaming it live on our Facebook page of Lung Care Foundation, and those of you are new to these sessions, there are recording links of the best talk sessions in our Facebook page of Lung Care Foundation. You can navigate through our Lung Care Foundation page and attend all the sessions. But this time we are having the session on Zoom, and for every session we'll be sharing the link to register on each and every week. And the specialty for the best talk session this time is that we are giving e-certificates for all the participants. Now, we know that e-certificates is not the reason why students join. They really want to take up an initiative. They really want to be part of it. But it is just a token of appreciation from our side to show that we appreciate you being part of this and taking time to be part of this session. So it is just a token of appreciation from my side, and the e-certificates will be shared with all the participants. So this is the basic about the Best Talks that has been done and the way forward of how Best Talks 2.0 is going to happen. All the details will be shared with you time and time about the session that is going to happen. Now, without any delay, I know most of the attendees here are looking forward to a particular session here, because most of them have dearly heard his session and have been part of these sessions. And now I would call our star of the session, whom I'm sure most of the participants are eagerly waiting to hear from, because I'm sure they have attended the previous sessions. So he's an ideator, mentor, author, international corporate trainer, and the founder trustee of Lung Care Foundation. He's an all-in-one. And without any ado, I am calling Mr. Rajiv Khurana to take up and lead the session. Over to you, sir.
Thank you very much, Judith. Guys, I'm really delighted to be back with you once again. And I must request all of you to do give a thumbs up to my colleagues. Right now you see Judith on the screen, but we have Kritika and Siddharth who keep working from behind all the time to make sure that these programs are successful. So let's begin the session. We are talking in terms of youth in action towards a sustainable world. I need not say, when we talk about youth, I can easily identify myself with your age. आपकी और मेरी उम्र में कोई खास फर्क तो है ही नहीं, because 25 की उम्र के बाद मैंने counting बंद कर दी थी. That's besides the point that my son will turn 28, but my wife is still 18 years old. So I am in your age bracket, and we are going to have some good, serious discussions and fun in this session. We're talking about youth in action towards a sustainable world. अब जरा सोचिए, सस्टेनेबल वर्ल्ड, इसका मतलब क्या है भाई? हम सस्टेनेबल तो बातें बहुत करते हैं, इसमें हमारा रोल क्या होगा? I'm going to be using English and Hindi mix because that's the way people have always enjoyed my previous sessions, English with a bit of tadka maar ke in Hindi, and I'm going to maintain that. Yuvraj Singh is again asking for my age. So my age, Yuvraj Singh, is 25. After that, I don't know. Okay? All right. Now we're talking in terms of sustainability, and the definition of sustainability is absolutely simple, which is avoidance of the depletion of natural resources. Natural resources are limited, so we need to avoid depletion of those natural resources in order to maintain ecological balance. अब सवाल ये ecological balance क्या चीजें होती है भाई? अब आप देखते होंगे कि बटरफ्लाई ने फ्लावर से हनी लिया, तो उसने कुछ दिया कि नहीं उसको? नेचर में मैनकाइंड एक ऐसी चीज है जो नेचर से लेती तो बहुत कुछ है, देती कुछ नहीं है. Whereas every living being on this earth, when it draws something from the nature, it returns something back to the nature. This is a very important point to understand. Now imagine if there was no man, on this earth, and all other living beings were there. Would there be an ecological balance? Would there be a threat to the natural resources? No. Because the living beings would have given something and got something back. Isn't it? आप दुकान पे जाते हैं, आपने अपना पैसे दिए, सामान लिया, घर वापस आ गए, कुछ दिया तभी मिला. अब जरा इमेजिन कीजिए, अगर भगवान भी एक दुकानदार होता तो, या भगवान एक बैंकर होता, भाई एक हाथ से दो, एक हाथ से ले लो. If human being had to give something to this nature, this environment, to draw something back, तो ये डिसऑर्डर्स होते ही नहीं ना. ये इकोलॉजिकल बैलेंस इम्बैलेंस की हम बातें जो करते रहते हैं, ये होता ही नहीं. लेकिन हम लोग तो बिल्कुल नेगेटिव अकाउंट में चले गए. ड्रॉ करते रहे, ड्रॉ करते रहे, ड्रॉ करते रहे, लेकिन नेचर को कुछ नहीं दिया. और इस वजह से हमारी प्रॉब्लम आ गई है इम्बैलेंस की. नाउ वी हैव प्रॉब्लम्स रिलेटिंग टू क्लाइमेट, वी हैव प्रॉब्लम्स रिलेटिंग टू एवरीथिंग. किसी ने सोचा था कि इतनी बड़ी बड़ी कंट्रीज इतने बिलियंस ऑफ डॉलर्स इन्वेस्ट करके एक दूसरे को मारने के लिए इतने बड़े बड़े हथियार बनाएंगी? वो कहां गए सारे एटम बॉम्ब्स जो अमेरिका के पास है, इंडिया के पास है, पाकिस्तान के पास है, चाइना के पास है? एक छोटा सा वायरस जिसे कोई देख नहीं सकता, हम और आप तो नहीं देख सकते, उसने सबका खलास कर दिया. और इन सब बड़े बड़े थिंकर्स को क्या मिला? कपिल शर्मा की भाषा में बाबा जी का ठुल्लू. सारे हथियार बने हुए हैं, लेकिन उसको इस्तेमाल नहीं कर सकते एक दूसरे को बर्बाद करने के लिए, बिकॉज एक छोटे से वायरस ने दुनिया को बर्बाद करने की कोशिश कर दी. एंड द प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ कोर्स इज सिंपलर, एंड इफ वी कैन टेक ऑल दैट काइंड ऑफ प्रोटेक्शन, आई एम श्योर we all can save ourselves. So let's do some simple calculations. We say if God was a shopkeeper and had to charge for something, for example, the oxygen, we get the oxygen, which is natural, which is free, absolutely. But supposing God was to charge a price for that, now what could be the price? All of you who are very good on mathematics, now give me calculations, and kindly stop all your other comments, because otherwise you will be distracting yourself. But let me see how fast do you do your calculations. There was few months back, there was news that in Saket Mall, a restaurant was selling oxygen, pure oxygen, at the price of 299 rupees for 15 minutes. 299 rupees for 15 minutes. That makes it to 96 units in a day. And if that could be the cost you have to pay, give me a very quick calculation in terms of what would be the price of oxygen you would be paying for. Now, this is a serious session. This is not a humorous session. When it comes to humor, I'll add the humor also. But what is important is, so it is not guesstimation of 5 lakhs, my dear friends. It is 96 units of 15 minutes each at 299 rupees. You will be paying 28,704 rupees. And in case your family has 4 members, you will be paying 1,14,816 rupees for 1 day of oxygen. And now if that is so, how much do you think you will be paying for the whole year for a family of 4? Do your calculation quickly. And in case, God gives you longer life. But if everyone has to go up someday, but if you have an average age of 80 years in the family, What do you think would be the price of oxygen you will have to pay for at 299 rupees for 15 minutes of pure oxygen? Don't say too much, because the figure which I have calculated is, please note down the figure, it is 335 crores 26 lakhs 27,200 rupees only. Oh boy. Does your family have 335 crores 26 lakhs plus plus plus? And if you don't have, how are we going to survive? Just because we have to pay for the oxygen and we have to pay for so many other things. Oxygen is just one component which comes absolutely free for all of us. If God was a shopkeeper, he could have charged you this money. But God has not charged you anyone a single penny, because he gives it free and we misuse it. And you may say, hey, we are damn good negotiator, 335 crores for our whole lifetime. We will negotiate it down to 10%. Even if that is so, it is 33 crores. And if that being the thing, my dear friends, it is not acceptable, because all these things come absolutely free for all of us. So we've answered two what if questions. Question number one, if there was no mankind, there was no threat to the ecology. And if we were to pay for the oxygen, we need to pay 335 crores and 26 lakhs. As of today's calculation, not later on's calculation. Those who study economics will say, hey, the cost will go up. So thank God for that. But then the question is, if this is an issue of sustenance, how do we handle it? Because even the United Nations has come up with sustenance development goal, which are 17 goals in nature, and you would have also studied that in your school and college. Many of the college students are also participating. Especially amongst the 17, 4 goals are primarily of concern to all of us when it comes to climate and air pollution. And these goals are: goal number 3, good health and well-being; goal number 7, affordable and clean energy; goal number 11, sustainable cities and communities; and goal number 13, climate action. Now the question is, you will say, oh, these are big goals. What are the things which we kids can do? Let me tell you, most of the changes have happened because kids have started those movements. We've of late have been reading a lot about Greta Thunberg, Malala Yousafzai also. So all these youngsters have created revolutions. And Judith also did some study and identified some very interesting examples from Africa and India. And some of those stories I'm going to share with you, because these are the things which have been happening because of the school children. There is this girl, Natukunda from Uganda, Immaculate Heart School, who's created a momentum which has spread to 25 countries, and 258 establishments all across have been working on it. Then why we go far off? We have in Bombay guys in various school classes working on app developments. App development relating to climate. We'll be happy at Best Clubs in case you have the ability to develop certain apps to write to us, because we should be announcing our Care Card campaign on the 15th of October on the International Youth Day. It's going to be a huge activity, and you can start participating in that from the 15th of October onwards, once our softwares are ready and backend activities are ready. And then you can earn various cards. We call this Care Card, 4 types of card: commitment card, action card, recognition card, and exemplary leadership card. We'll be talking about that in due course of time. But people like you who can get on to creation of apps can do wonderful things. We have examples where in Delhi, girls collected money, because October and November is going to be a tough time because Parali starts. When Parali starts, धुआं is all over. अब इतने धुएं के अंदर सांस लेना मुश्किल होगा. उन्होंने पैसे इकट्ठे करके फार्मर्स को दिए ताकि वो उस हैप्पी सीडर से फर्टिलाइजर्स बना सके. ये सब चीजें हैं जो हम भी कर सकते हैं. थोड़ी बहुत कलेक्शन आप भी कर सकते हैं. इवन अगर आप लोग चाहें तो हमारे बेस्ट क्लब्स की जो एक्टिविटीज हैं उसके अंदर भी आप पुअर पेशेंट्स के लिए पैसा इकट्ठा कर सकते हैं उनके इलाज के लिए। और लंग केयर फाउंडेशन भी ये सर्विस करता है। हमारा एक प्रोग्राम है कॉल्ड हेल्प, HELP, हेल्थ केयर एक्सपेंसेस फॉर लंग पेशेंट्स, जिसमें जो भी डोनेशन आती है वो हम गरीब लोगों के इलाज के लिए लगाते हैं। कोई कंपल्सन नहीं है, कोई 10 रुपए भी डाउन करना चाहे बहुत अच्छी बात है, किसी के तो काम आएंगे। हम अपनी पॉकेट में, अब पॉकेट मनी से, अपने बर्थडे की सेलिब्रेशन से कुछ ना कुछ इवेंट्स करके भी उसे कर सकते हैं। ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो आप लोग इस चीज में की जा सकती है। और मैं अभी आपको थोड़े और एग्जांपल्स भी दूंगा कि क्या किया जा सकता है। जुड़ी ने एक और एग्जांपल मेरे साथ शेयर किया कि कोलकाता के अंदर द बैक सीट बडीज कॉन्सेप्ट शुरू हुआ। मुझे ये बहुत अच्छा लगा। व्हाट इज बैक सीट बडीज? एक ही कॉलोनी से 4 कारें इकट्ठी जा रही हैं उस स्कूल में बच्चे को ड्रॉप करने के लिए। कारपूल कर लो, बच्चे पीछे बैठ के मस्ती कर रहे हैं, पापा गाड़ी चला रहे हैं, मम्मी गाड़ी चला रही है और बैक सीट बडीज एंजॉय कर रहे हैं। दैट्स बीन अ वंडरफुल थिंग and it has reached to almost 70,000 students. We can also do all this kind. Only when you get into the school. Right now is the corona time, you have to take all kind of precautions, and therefore you're sitting at home watching your laptop or maybe through your mobile screen and attending those programs. But very soon, when everything will be all right, perhaps we will have to think in terms of what can be done or inspiration from backseat buddies. और मैं तो कहूंगा कि दिल्ली और उसके आसपास जो हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं, इनके लिए मैं एक और नया नाम दे रहा हूं जुड़ित, और वो बैक सीट बडीज नहीं है, बैक सीट बेस्टीज हैं। बेस्ट क्लब के मेंबर्स, बैक सीट बेस्टीज। और वो तो अपने बेस्टी के साथ ही जाएंगे, किसी और के साथ तो जाएंगे नहीं। हमारा जो फ्रेंड है वो बेस्ट फ्रेंड है, तो बैक सीट बेस्टीज। और बैक सीट बेस्टीज कैन डू एब्सोल्यूट वंडर। सो माय फ्रेंड्स, from class 9 to age 9 to any classes, kids all across have done wonderful job. लेकिन हम सोचते हैं यार मैं क्या कर सकता हूं? कर सकते हैं ना। और यही चीज अब मैं आपके साथ एक्सप्लेन करूंगा कि हम क्या क्या कर सकते हैं। मैं आपके साथ जस्ट 10 वर्ड्स शेयर करूंगा, ओनली 10 वर्ड्स, in terms of how you can improve upon your leadership. And I'm very fond of creating acronyms. तो मैं leadership word को ही लूंगा और एक एक अल्फाबेट से आपको एक एक वर्ड एक्सप्लेन करूंगा. And as and when I start talking about these words, my colleagues will start typing those words onto the chat box. And मेरी अब आप लोगों से ये रिक्वेस्ट है बेटा कि अपनी इंट्रोडक्शन बहुत हो गई है, अब थोड़ा देर इस प्रोग्राम में और 15-20 मिनट पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं, so that I can pick up some of your questions and respond to that. And we focus more on the discussion rather than, hi, I'm from Kanpur, hi, I'm from Jagadri, I'm from Punjab, I'm from Delhi, let's be here together and let's enjoy together. अब सवाल आता है, क्या किया जा सकता है? मेरी एक फेवरेट स्टोरी है और मैं कई बार इसके बारे में सुना चुका हूं. ये स्टोरी है इस दुनिया की स्टोरी. दिस इज अ स्टोरी ऑफ 3 एप्पल्स. पहला एप्पल जो एडम एंड ईव ने खाया था. तीसरा एप्पल, एप्पल आईफोन, सिंबल ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी, सिंबल ऑफ लग्जरी. जिसके पास ज्यादा पैसा वो उसको खरीदना चाहता है और खरीदने के बाद लोगों को दिखाना चाहता है मेरे पास आईफोन है. अब मैं आप लोगों से एक सवाल करता हूं बच्चों. जब एडम एंड ईव ने ये रियलाइज किया आफ्टर टेस्टिंग द फर्स्ट एप्पल that they had to create the world, which company gave them a job letter? Where did they work? Who employed them? Kanav Dhingra, I'm coming to the second apple. I have not forgotten that. But let's look at the first apple. Which company gave them the appointment letter? And God is not a company, Yuvraj Singh. God maybe, God employed them, nobody helped them. Good answers. Nature, nature is not a company. Well, I'm just reading and responding to that. Earth Incorporated. ये तो बड़ा Americanized name हो गया. Very good. So themselves, they took the initiative. They owned the company. their dedication. Good answers. This only proves the point, my dear friends. Mankind was born as an entrepreneur. We are born entrepreneurs. For centuries and centuries and centuries, we were looking after our own needs. Then one fine day, a powerful man stood up and said, आओ खेलें राजा मंत्री चोर सिपाही मैं राजा. तो हमने कहा हाँ जी हम आपकी प्रजा हमें नौकरी दे दो. फिर क्या हुआ? हम राजा के नौकर हो गए और धीरे 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 राजा सरकार बन गया. हम सरकार की नौकरी करने लग पड़े. फिर 17th 18th सेंचुरी के अंदर ग्रेट इंडस्ट्रियल रेवोल्यूशन हुई. बड़ी बड़ी कंपनीज आई तो हमने कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड की नौकरी करनी शुरू की. और अब हम तो नौकरी नौकरी पे लगते हैं. हमारा पूरा पढ़ाई इसी चीज के ऊपर होता है. अच्छी पढ़ाई करोगे तो अच्छी नौकरी मिलेगी. क्यों भाई? आई एम बोर्न एज एन एंटरप्रेन्योर. बट देन द क्वेश्चन इज, कैन अ स्टूडेंट बी एन एंटरप्रेन्योर? Yes or no? Tell me. While you are a student, can you be an entrepreneur? You're giving me answer. Yes, yes, I love that answer because I'm a very strong believer on that. Yes, you can be, because all of you can be social entrepreneurs without investing any kind of money. And how can you be a social entrepreneur? We'll talk about that in a while from now. अब सवाल आता है, वो बीच वाला एप्पल तो रह गया. एप्पल नंबर 2. जिन्होंने साइंस पढ़ी है या पढ़ रहे हैं उनको मालूम है वो बीच वाला एप्पल किसका था. न्यूटन का एप्पल. अनमोल बिल्कुल ठीक कह रहे हो आप. यस शिवराज, यस मुद्रिका, पीयूष, आदि, एवरीवन इज राइट. न्यूटन का एप्पल. अब न्यूटन के सर पे एप्पल गिरा, उसने भंगड़ा डालना शुरू कर दिया. ग्रेविटी 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 ग्रेविटी. अरे भाई, उससे पहले भी लोगों के सर के ऊपर एप्पल गिरते थे, उन्होंने तो भंगड़ा नहीं डाला. लेकिन इसने क्यों डाला? Because he had a question. He was searching for the answer for that question. He had curiosity. And my dear friends, if you have that question, कौतूहल जिसको बोलते हैं, curiosity, and you club that with your social entrepreneurship, you can do wonderfully well in your life to create an impact. To create an impact. Do you agree with me? Yes or no? Absolutely right. Absolutely right. So now let's work at how can we create that impact. And you are going to be with me on this journey. And I'm going to give you 10 words only, simple 10 words. Based on one single word, leadership. I'll take one alphabet at a time and tell you that word and tell you how to work with that word. This is not, you cannot find this in any book because these are the acronyms that I have created. मेरे ना आजकल झगड़ा भी होता है. मैं कई बार इस झगड़े के बारे में लोगों को बताता हूं. जब बड़ी बड़ी कॉन्फ्रेंसेस में बड़े बुजुर्ग लोग, हालांकि एज में मेरे जैसे ही होंगे या मुझसे थोड़े से बड़े होंगे, जब वो बातें करते हैं तो मैं उनसे लड़ पड़ता हूं और आपकी वजह से लड़ता हूं. और वो पता है क्या बोलते हैं? Oh, you know, children, we are not leaving a right word for you, but I'm sure in times to come, you will do all the cleaning, you will take care of the air pollution, you will take care of the climate. And when my turns come to talk, I say, what rubbish were you talking? गंदगी तुमने डाली बड़ो और बच्चों को कहती हो कि वो साफ करें. क्यों? Do you agree with me? The kids will definitely, whatever they inherit in terms of the dirt that you have created, they have to clear it because they need to live in a better world. But you still have the age. If you have created the problem, you clean it. We kids will help you. We will not confront them. We will not fight with them because we are courteous people. We are part of a society where respect to elders is important. But at the same time, we will not take any kind of SHIT from them. What is SHIT? Now don't write it there. Hey, Khushi, yes, it is shit, but then the name of the shit is SHIT, Special High Intensity Talk. Special High Intensity Talk. So you can use that now. special high intensity talk when people, the elders start prescribing to the youngsters, oh, you know, you should do this in the world. अरे तुमने तो किया नहीं, हमारे सिर के पीछे ऐसे पड़ जाते हो. आओ साथ में काम करो. और अब मैं आपको उन 10 शब्दों का फॉर्मूला दे रहा हूं जिसके अंदर इन बड़ों को लेके और आने वाले यंगस्टर्स को लेके आप लोगों को यूथ लीडरशिप को तैयारी करनी है. Are you ready for it? Yes or no? If you are ready, then I'm going to share the whole thing. Wonderful. So a lot of people are saying yes, 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 yes. Are you enjoying my conversation with you, the talk with you? And in case say yes, give me a thumbs up, give me a heart sign, whatever you can give, because I love it. I love it when it comes from my friends, especially. Thank you so much. I enjoy that. Amazing. Thank you so much. Wonderful. So now, let me take you through this journey of 10 points in the next 10 minutes, and then I'll be open for your questions, and we will definitely close dot on time at 5 o'clock. That's our tradition in terms of starting on time and finishing on time. So leadership, Leadership. The first word is L, alphabet. Learn, L for learn. Siddharth, time for you to now start typing in for them. Or my friends can also start typing for others. Wonderful. But what do we learn? You know, we cannot bring about changes in the world unless and until we know what exactly is happening. So we need to increase our knowledge. We need to increase our skills. We need to improve our attitude. अब इसीलिए बेस्ट टॉक्स है. किसी ने पूछा ये बेस्ट टॉक का मतलब क्या है? हम अपने आप को बेस्ट कह रहे हैं? नो, वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ब्रीथ इजी स्टेट ऑफ क्लब्स एंड इसके टॉक्स हैं. तो देयरफॉर दीज आर कॉल्ड बेस्ट टॉक्स. एंड बेस्ट टॉक सीरीज 2.0 इसलिए स्टार्ट किया because serious kids should come in the Zoom session, not on the Facebook, which has more of a floating population. And when they attend it seriously, they should also earn an e-certificate, and that they can keep clubbing all those e-certificates over the period of time. So when it comes to even their college admissions, etc., they may be in a position to say, I attended 55 e-certificate programs from best clubs, or maybe more. So those who are at younger age can actually attend much more, many of such kind of programs, because each program is going to be looking at how do we enhance your knowledge and attitude and your skills, especially vis-a-vis the environment actions, climate actions, ecology balances, etc., etc., and what could be your role. So this is the first alphabet called L for learning. Well, the questions are immediately coming. When are we going to get my certificate? अरे पहले प्रोग्राम तो अटेंड कर ले मेरे बच्चे. जूडिथ कल तक तुम्हारे को सर्टिफिकेट तुम्हारे ईमेल आईडी पे भेज देगी, प्रोवाइडेड ऑल यू गाइस हैव अटेंडेड इट फॉर द फुल टाइम. इट इज नॉट लास्ट 5 मिनट में आ गया, हाय मैम मेरा सर्टिफिकेट नहीं आया. जूडिथ बिल्कुल भी मत भेजना ऐसे बच्चों को जो सिर्फ 5 मिनट के लिए आएंगे. जिन्होंने पूरे टाइम के लिए अटेंड किया होगा उनको मिलेगा. एंड ऑल्सो टेल यू, टीचर्स को भी मिलेगा and college के students को भी मिलेगा. Everybody will get it who has registered. So I hope I have raised this query to rest. And can I move to the next point? After the point L for learning, next is E. Examine. E for examine. Examine what? Examine my readiness. मैं कुछ करना भी चाहता हूँ कि नहीं, या मैंने सिर्फ बातें करनी है. हमारी एक प्रॉब्लम है ना सोसाइटी के अंदर, हम सिर्फ बातें करते हैं. पहले मोहल्ले में करते थे, फिर ड्राइंग रूम में करते हैं, स्कूल की बस, कॉलेज की बस में करते हैं, और अब सिर्फ व्हाट्सएप पे करते हैं. बातें करते हैं, एक्शन कुछ नहीं करते. So if you wish to create your leadership, you need to examine your own preparedness to do something on the street. And in case you are not willing to do that, forget it. ये सब बातें ही रह जाएंगी और कुछ नहीं होगा. सर्टिफिकेट इकट्ठे हो जाएंगे, उसके बाद किसी ने पूछना है, अरे 50 सर्टिफिकेट आपके पास हैं, आपने उसके बेसिस पे किया क्या? आपने को कल कुछ नहीं. आपको मिला क्या? जी वही सबको जबको मिलता है, बाबा जी का ठुल्लू, कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला. What is vital is examine your readiness, and इसके लिए 3 चीजें बड़ी जरूरी हैं: willingness, self challenge and practice. Willingness, that I am willing to do something. Self challenge, कि हाँ जी अब मैं करूंगा, और फिर बोलने से क्या होता है, प्रैक्टिस तो करनी पड़ेगी ना। मैंने ना I've written 9 books and over 2000 of my articles have been published in English in the newspapers, national dailies. एक बारी मैंने एक आर्टिकल लिखा जिसके अंदर मैंने कहा कि चांदनी चौक में जाओगे ना, थोड़ा सा मजाक की भी बातें कर लें, तो वहां पर फुटपाथ पे बुक्स मिलती हैं, वहां पे ऐसी किताबें मिलेंगी जिसका टाइटल होगा धुरंधर बल्लेबाजी कैसे करें, धुरंधर बल्लेबाजी कैसे करें। आपने वो किताब खरीद ली, अब आपने किताब पढ़ ली, तो क्या आप सचिन तेंदुलकर बन जाओगे, विराट कोहली बन जाओगे? कुछ नहीं बनोगे, क्योंकि जब तक बल्ला लेके मैदान में नहीं जाओगे, एवरी बॉल को फेस नहीं करोगे, खूब प्रैक्टिस नहीं करोगे, अपना टैलेंट नहीं दिखाओगे, कुछ नहीं होने वाला। इसीलिए एग्जामिन योर रेडीनेस टू कंट्रीब्यूट। अदरवाइज ये जो ब्लैबरिंग माउथ है ना, उसके पीछे एक दिमाग भी है, और वो दिमाग आपको बोलता रहेगा कि तुम कितने झूठे हो, तुम कितने झूठे हो, तुम कितनी फालतू की बातें बोलते हो, लेकिन करते कुछ नहीं हो। एग्जामिन। द नेक्स्ट अल्फाबेट इज A. Ask. A for ask. पूछो लोगों से। मैं कई बार जब करियर टॉक्स करता हूँ डिफरेंट सिटीज में, एंड आई हैव डन ओवर 500,000 स्टूडेंट्स आई हैव एड्रेस्ड अक्रॉस इंडिया, तो मैं कहता हूँ यार ये जो हमारे बड़े बूढ़े हैं ना, ये हमारे पीछे पड़े रहते हैं, और वही आजकल चल क्या रहा है। अरे भाई अंकल जी आपको क्या लेना देना, मैं अपनी पढ़ाई कर रहा हूँ, लेकिन वो पूछते जरूर हैं। अब इन लोगों से पूछने का वक्त आ गया, और उनसे 2 सवाल पूछने का वक्त आ गया। झगड़ा करके नहीं प्लीज, बड़े पोलाइट तरीके से। और पोलाइट तरीके से जब भी आप किसी से बात करोगे ना, वो बेचारा ज्यादा घबराएगा एज कंपेयर टू झगड़ा करके या गुस्से में या ताना दे के, क्योंकि ताना देने से, गुस्सा करने से वो आपके ऊपर जिम्मेवारी छोड़ देगा कि कैसा बच्चा है, इल ट्रेंड बच्चा। लेकिन अगर आपने बड़े तरीके से प्यार से चीज पूछ ली ना, वो अपने आप से घबराना शुरू हो जाएगा। सो आस्क 2 क्वेश्चंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, अंकल आंटी आपने ये होने कैसे दिया, ये एयर पोल्यूशन होने कैसे दिया, ये क्लाइमेट चेंज इतना खराब कैसे होने दिया, क्योंकि आप बड़े लोगों ने किया ना। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, अब मेरे भविष्य के लिए आप क्या करोगे, व्हाट आर यू गोइंग टू डू फॉर माय फ्यूचर। सोचने दो उनको, आपने काम करना है क्योंकि आप इनिशिएटिव लोगे, लेकिन इन लोगों को तैयार करना भी बड़ा जरूरी है। सो 2 क्वेश्चन, आस्क दीज क्वेश्चंस। इन वन ऑफ माय टॉक्स वंस आई सेड, जितना मचेगा शोर उतना होगा मोर। शोर मचाओ यार, और आप नहीं शोर मचाओगे तो कौन मचाएगा। फालतू की बातें बहुत हो गई, अब काम की बातें करें। कौन सी एक्ट्रेस को कहां पकड़ा गया, क्या हुआ, छोड़ दो ये सब चीजें, ये गॉसिप्स हैं। रियल थिंग है आपको 25,000 टाइम्स अ डे सांस लेना है, और उसकी प्राइस कैलकुलेशन हम लोग कर चुके हैं। Therefore, start asking question. The next alphabet is D. D for dream. अच्छा सपना लो ना यार, ये नहीं कह सकते कि दुनिया खत्म होने वाली है, दुनिया सही है यार, कोविड के बाद भी सही रहेगी। बट ड्रीम, डोंट ड्रीम अबाउट द होल वर्ल्ड प्लीज, but at least dream about the locality where you stay in. Dream about your school. Look at the air pollution in the school. Look at the indoor air quality in the school. Look at the indoor air quality of your family house. Look at the air quality in the surroundings. अगर वहां पे धूल मिट्टी ज्यादा है, वहां पे धुआं ज्यादा है, वो आपको अफेक्ट करने वाला है। तो ड्रीम करो कि आपका ब्लॉक, आपकी RWA ये कैसे काम करे ताकि एक अच्छा आसपास का माहौल क्रिएट हो सके। ड्रीम अबाउट अ गुड सिटी, ताकि जब आप गाड़ी में हो तो कचरा बाहर नहीं फेंकना, ताकि जब आप गाड़ी में हो तो आपके पेरेंट्स ने अगर थोड़े समय से ज्यादा गाड़ी ऑन रखी ऑन द रेड लाइट, तो बोलो पापा इसको जरा बंद कर दो। लेट्स हैव नो आइडलिंग कैंपेन फ्रॉम द कार। दैट्स द काइंड ऑफ ड्रीम, द ड्रीम ऑफ द चेंजेस दैट यू कैन ब्रिंग अबाउट। ड्रीम ऑफ द चेंजेस दैट यू कैन ब्रिंग अबाउट। अगर हम बड़ी बड़ी बातें करेंगे ना कि मैं भारत के लिए कर दूंगा, मैं अपने इंडिया के लिए जान भी देने को तैयार हूं, ये फालतू की बातें हैं, मैं नहीं इन चीजों को मानता। क्योंकि एक इंटेलिजेंट सोल्जर ये नहीं कहता कि मैं अपनी जान दे दूंगा, वो कहता है मेरा जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन है दुश्मन की जान निकालने का। तो आपका भी देश के एक अच्छे पैट्रियोटिक नागरिक होने के कारण आपका काम देश के लिए जान देना नहीं है, आपकी जान बहुत कीमती है। आपका काम है जान लगाना, और जान लगाकर उस चेंज को लेके आना जिसको आपने ड्रीम किया है। नेक्स्ट अल्फाबेट है ई, एजुकेट। यू आर रिसीविंग एजुकेशन, but it's time now for you to pass on the education. So whatever you're going to be learning from Best Talks in times to come, just capture that properly and then mention it to others, share it with others. अगर परिवार में भी कोई नहीं सुनता है तो आसपास के इवन गार्ड्स के साथ, गार्डनर्स के साथ, सफाई कर्मचारियों के साथ, हर एक के साथ, आया दीदी के साथ, उनको भी तो समझाओ। बिकॉज फिर वो अपनी कम्युनिटी में जाके जब उस ज्ञान को बांटेंगे तो दे ऑल्सो से I am a knowledgeable person and they are knowledgeable because of you. You know, COVID affect करता है, अगर आपको affect भगवान ना करे हो जाए, you can affect 2.7 people. And that is going to have a multiplying effect, which is actually proven. But imagine if you can educate 10 people in a year and those people educate 10 more people, look at the kind of numbers we can create. If you can educate 10 of your friends who have not attended this session, and all of you again speak with 10 people in the society, look at the multiplying effect that you will have. That's the chain reaction, Naman. Absolutely right. And this is what the domino effect you need to create. Priya Singh, thank you so much. You are actually putting all these things together. Wonderful. God bless you, beta. The next alphabet, R. Rekindle. Rekindle. R-E-K-I-N-D-L-E. Rekindle. What is rekindle? People generally turn very negative. और हर कोई नेगेटिव बातें करते हैं। हो देखो पोल्यूशन की बात करने जा रहे हैं, क्या चेंज हुआ है? और बच्चे क्या हाल है? तुम्हारे यहाँ की पोल्यूशन कितनी कम हुई? तुमने एफर्ट शुरू किया था ना, तुमने पौधा भी लगाया था ना। बड़े बेवकूफ लोग हैं हमारे आसपास के, उनसे झगड़ा नहीं करना। बेवकूफ लोग हैं, बेवकूफ लोगों के साथ झगड़ा थोड़ी करा जाता है। When you fight with a pig in the mud, only the pig enjoys, you don't enjoy. So those pig-headed, forget them. And remember my sentence. First, they will ignore you. Next, they will laugh at you. Third, they will fight you. And fourth, you succeed. So success comes at a later stage. They will ignore you, let them. They will laugh at you, let them. They will fight with you, let them, because they're actually fighting with themselves. And only then you will succeed. So therefore, you need to rekindle hope, positivity, and ensure that you nurture all the positive thoughts and make people hero. मैं एक एग्जांपल देता हूं कि पड़ोस वाली आंटी बहुत सफाई करती है ना, कभी अपने हाथ से एक A4 साइज शीट के साथ में एक थैंक यू नोट बना के उनके लेटरहेड में डाल के आ जाओ, आंटी यू आर सो स्वीट, यू टेक केयर ऑफ द सराउंडिंग्स वेरी वेल। लेट मी टेल यू, वो आंटी अगले दिन से कभी और गंद नहीं डालेगी। तो पॉजिटिविटी वर्क्स। नेगेटिविटी में ना लोग ढीठ हो जाते हैं, नहीं करता क्या कर ले। लेकिन पॉजिटिविटी में जब किसी को एप्रिसिएशन मिलती है, पीपल बिकम मोर hungry for appreciation, and once we start doing that, it helps. Next alphabet hai S. S for share. Share what? Share your knowledge, share your responsibility, share your celebrations. जो भी कुछ है शेयर करेंगे ना हम लोग। अकेले रखेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? अगर हमारे पास बहुत पैसा है और जेब में ही है, हमने अपने आप तो नहीं ना एंजॉय करेंगे, किसी के साथ मिलकर करेंगे, परिवार के साथ, दोस्तों के साथ, किसी और चीज के साथ। सो वी नीड टू शेयर। इट डजंट मीन कि मैं अपना पैसा उठा के उसको दे दूंगा, बट आई कैन ऑलवेज शेयर माई हैप्पीनेस, माई जॉय, माई एप्रिसिएशन, माई ग्रेटिट्यूड, माई लव, माई अफेक्शन। ऑल दी आर सो मेनी थिंग्स टू शेयर जो पैसा नहीं लगेगा, बट वो लोगों को खरीद लेगा। पैसा तो कुछ लोगों को कभी खरीद सकता है, ये सब चीजें तो हमेशा हमेशा के लिए दोस्ती क्रिएट कर सकती हैं। और बेटा अगर शेयर प्रॉब्लम भी करनी पड़ेगी तो अपने अंडरस्टैंडिंग दोस्त के साथ करोगे। is important because then you will feel lighter and share their problems also because they will feel lighter. लेकिन सिर्फ शेयर अपनी प्रॉब्लम दे दी और अच्छी चीजें अपने पास में रख ली तो बात नहीं बनने वाली. नेक्स्ट अल्फाबेट है H. I'll be moving fast now. Hold hands. अकेले नहीं कर पाएंगे ना. बचपन में आपने रॉबिन्सन क्रूसो की स्टोरी भी पढ़ी होगी. 12 years on an island with a man Friday who was deaf and dumb and the person survived. You can't live like that for 12 years because पिछले कुछ महीने से घर के अंदर अपने परिवार के साथ रहना हमारे लिए मुश्किल हो गया. So we need to hold hands today, of course, in a digital world, but we need to hold hands with our team, with our mates, that let's do it collectively. Let's create a good amount of teamwork. Let's share our leadership responsibility. And that is called holding hands. And you know this better. And the next alphabet is I. Initiate. बहुत हो गया, सोच लिया ये करना है, लेकिन कुछ तो एक्शन करेंगे. Initiate. But don't initiate too many things, यार. एक दो चीजें उठाओ बस, ज्यादा नहीं उठाना. और उसको अच्छी तरह से करना. और इंसिडेंटली हमारा जो केयर कार्ड है वो इस इनिशिएटिव के ऊपर ही डिपेंड करता है कि भैया पहले आपने एनरोलमेंट किया, कमिटमेंट कार्ड, आपने लेसन सारे ले लिए, सब कुछ सीख लिया, उसके बाद आपने एक्शन कार्ड पे आया. इनिशिएट कीजिए एक्शन. जैसे जैसे आप एक्शन लेते जाएंगे आपके पॉइंट्स बढ़ने शुरू हो जाएंगे. और जैसे आप एक पॉइंट्स को एक पर्टिकुलर स्टेज के ऊपर आए थे ना, जैसे टाइक्वांडो के अंदर है येलो बेल्ट, ग्रीन बेल्ट, ब्ला ब्ला बेल्ट, हमने भी कहा कि हमारी 4 तरह की कार्ड्स होंगे. जैसे जैसे आप काम करते जाएंगे आपको कार्ड मिलता जाएगा. सो यू कैन ऑलवेज हैव अ कलर्स ऑफ अप्रोच. सो इनिशिएट 1 or 2 activities, use a lot of creativity, and also seek feedback from others, which is vital so that we can consistently improve. And initiate all good activities, which हम time to time Best Club में बातें करते रहते हैं, इसलिए time कम है, मैं उसके ऊपर touch नहीं करने वाला. And finally, P. P for promote. P for promote. अच्छा काम करो तो दूसरों को भी बताओ तो सही यार. अब सरकार थोड़ा सा काम करती है, खूब लोगों को बताती है. So we need to promote what we are doing. So even your participation in a best talk and you're going to be winning a e-certificate, tomorrow when you get an e-certificate, put it on your Facebook page. Tell people, hey, I attended this. And I want to see, actually tag Lung Care Foundation in that. Judith, you can make an announcement in terms of how to go about it. And tag us on the Facebook, on Instagram. Usse kya hoga? You are promoting yourself. Because if you do a good job, damn it, show to people that you are doing a good job. Because that is what big companies do. They create a good product. And then they show the entire world, we are having a good product, and they advertise by spending crores and crores of rupees. So if you're doing a good job, go and talk about it on the social media. Tell people you are part of the Best Club. You are part of Lung Care Foundation. Tell them what kind of work you have done so far, what kind of prizes your schools have won. Even you have won certain prizes. Talk about it in the whole world. Because that will make others envious. That will also inspire others. And they will also join the momentum. Lung Care Foundation and Best Club is not our activity. It is your activity. We as elders believe that we need to work with all youngsters together so that then they take over the future from us. And that is important. And that is why these 10 words are very important. So let me get a flash on the screen. What are those 10 words? My young friend was sharing all those 10 words. Vaibhav, very good. Akshita, very good. Siddharth, very good. Thank you so much. These words are learn, examine, ask, dream, educate, rekindle, share, hold hands, initiate, and promote. And my friends, I'll stop it here because I'd love to pick up some of your questions, and then Judith could take over in terms of picking up some the concluding remarks. But Judith, we need to finish by 6 o'clock. And if you have liked it, give me a heart sign. I love you kids. I love you a lot. Just give me a thumbs up. Thank you, my dear friends, for your appreciation. Well, you mentioned that I read a lot, so you haven't seen a teacher like me. Well, fortunately, I've been able to also teach a lot of principals and vice chancellors of various universities. God has been kind with me. I'm a management trainer, and I work with board of directors of different organizations. But until next time, I look forward to actually seeing you all. And in case you have any questions, I would love to answer. There are some questions which are flashing in Q&A. Let me just look at it. What can we students do to make the sky clear? Well, there is no vacuum cleaner for the sky, my dear friends. There are small actions. Next 2 months are going to be terrible. So make sure that anything that spoils the air pollution and worsens the air pollution, you don't do that. Make sure also that the indoor air quality of the session is also maintained. एक चीज को ध्यान रखना, चाहे पूजा पाठ भी करनी हो तो मन से, अच्छे मन से करना है, लेकिन धूप अगरबत्ती चलाएंगे तो इंडोर एयर पोल्यूशन बढ़ेगी, कपूर जलाएंगे तो इंडोर एयर पोल्यूशन जलेगी. हम लोग तो उसको मेजर करते हैं और हमें मालूम है कितनी सिचुएशन वर्सन हो जाती है. सीओपीडी की प्रॉब्लम, अस्थमा की प्रॉब्लम, इन सब से और एग्रावेट हो जाती हैं. तो जरा ध्यान रखिएगा. और बेस्ट क्लब का पर्पस ही यही है, ब्रीथ इजी, स्टे टफ, so that you become tougher in terms of handling situations. Okay, Judith, you would like to take over. Akshita is saying, I don't have Facebook, how to show my certificates? Ask your parents to display it, my dear friend, on Facebook, or open your account, or maybe on WhatsApp, show it to others, or send emails to others, those who you think should know. Okay? You don't have the social media right now and can't go outside, what should I do? Well, I'm sure your parents would love to display your achievements, involve them. Maybe your cousins could do, your relatives could do, elders in the family could do. They're also your partners and they would be very happy to portray your happiness, isn't it? Excellent. Judith, over to you.
Yes, sir. So thank you so much for such an amazing session. I mean, for the people who have attended the session of Rajiv sir pehle, they would be knowing how like they always share this one thing with me, that once sir ka session ho jata hai, they feel so charged and pumped up to take up activities and do their initiatives, which continuing that thing, I just want to say that after each session, the learnings that you take up, the things that you listen from here, जो आपको मोटिवेशन यहाँ से मिला है, let that be not just the time being जब सेशन हो रहा हो या उसके जस्ट 1-2 दिन बाद रहे. Let it rekindle and be there with you, and let that thing, that spark in you, move you to take up initiatives and do even if a small activity or a small thing to make a change would really make a difference. And thank you so much, sir, for such an engaging session. And सारा प्यार आपको चैट बॉक्स में ही दिख रहा है. They're sending you heart signs and thumbs up signs, so they're surely enjoying the session. And and I am glad, and our entire team is glad that all the attendees are finding the session very informative. Now, with that being said, we'll be announcing our next session for the best talks here itself, so that you get to know what kind of training sessions are we going to have going forward. This is definitely was an inaugural session. This is just a beginning towards a very interactive and informative sessions that is going to happen throughout the next months. So the next session that is going to happen is on climate reality training, which yes. So as you can see on the screen, the next session will be on climate reality training. Now, when you see this topic itself, this will ignite some questions in you. Like, this session will answer your questions of what exactly climate change is, कितना extensive impact होता है, और कैसे आप एक powerful advocate बन सकते हो for climate actions. What are the steps that you can take up? All the nitty-gritties regarding climate change, climate actions, and its impacts will be covered in the session. And the next session will be the next month, Wednesday, 21st October, 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. As I've already mentioned in the start of the session, that हमारे हर month के third Wednesday में हमारा Best Talks का session होगा, and the next session will be on climate reality training, which is in collaboration with Global Shapers Community, which is an initiative of World Economic Forum. And the speakers that are taking the session are specially trained by Climate Reality Corps, an international organization started by former US president. So you can see how the experts from different fields are coming together to give you training, so that you get an actual idea कि सब कुछ nitty-gritty सीखने के बाद कैसे आप actions ले सकते हो with the whole knowledge and power that you have. The details for the session will be shared and notified with you all on your mail or the contact numbers that we have time to time. And with that being said, my colleague Kritika will be sharing a feedback form for you all to fill in the chat box. So I'll request all the attendees to just stop messaging on the chat box for some few time so that you get to see the feedback form link for you to fill the form. As soon as you fill the form, we'll send the e-certificate on the email ID shared in the feedback form. And we will also be sharing the feedback form link today itself on your mail IDs, on your register mail ID, so that you get to fill the details and the valid email ID, so that the e-certificate we'll be sharing it with you. The e-certificates for the session will be shared latest by Friday, and we'll also share the registration link for the next session along with the e-certificates, ताकि आप लोग जो next session है, which is on climate reality training, you can be part of it. You can just register it, and you'll be getting timely alert and reminders from our side for attending the session.